play with us.
And we'll have a Abadabba, shooby-doo-wop. Abadabba, play today. Abadabba, shooby-doo-wop. Abadabba, play today. Play today. What are you waiting for?
I wonder where they're playing today. They're in the garden. Ooh, what are you doing?
We're making a picture of Harry. Almost finished, Harry. Keep still, please.
It tastes horrible. Oh,
Harry!
I'm all right, thank you.
Phew!
Can I see the picture now, please?
Of course.
Ta-da! It's really good.
Thank you, Harry.
Are my ears really that big? They're perfect for hearing things. Like what? Like the words in our favourite game.
It's the word game. Come and play with us. You opened up the book and found us three. It's time to play the word game, you and me. Listen to the word, then spot and see. Match the word and object out on Let's play.
Ready? I've got a brand new Abadas word, and you have to guess what it looks like.
Aha!
The word is camera.
Camera?
Camera.
Camera. We like that word. I wonder what it does.
Would you like a clue?
Oh, yes, please, Ben.
You use it to take pictures of people and things.
Pictures are fun. Yes, I love pictures.
How about another clue?
Yes.
You look through a camera to take pictures.
Ooh.
So if you can use it to take pictures of people and things, where would you find it?
In the mountains. You can see lots of things from the top of a mountain.
Well, you can take a camera up a mountain, but not today. I know. We were making pictures in the garden. Maybe you'll find a camera there. You can take it with you, but it's not kept there.
What about the house?
Well done. The house is where you usually keep a camera.
Yay! Go, Abadas!
The Abadas think that they will find a camera in the house. But which Abada would be the best one to find the camera?
My name is Seren, I can fly up high, up past the trees and towards the sky. I hang topsy-turvy in the night and day, fly right down when it's time to play. My name is Harry, I like to swim. I dive down deep, I see everything that lives in the seabed on the shore. Swimming and playing is what I adore. My name is Ella with that special nose. Where it will lead me, nobody knows. I can smell all the things that you can't always see. I love my nose, it's a part of me. Ella should go. Me? You're the best at making pictures.
You made a great picture of me. Good choice, Abadas. Ella's great at making pictures, so she's the best Abada to find the camera.
I'm on my way. Woohoo! Whoa! Now you see me, now you don't. Up, 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 up. Whee! Ooh! Ta-da! Ooh, I can look through this. Ooh! Ooh, yikes! Cool move! This is fantastic! Huh? Oh! Furry foxtails! I found the camera! Look, Ben! It has a picture on it!
Yes, but can you look through it?
Oh, no, I can't. So it isn't the camera then?
No, Ella, it's a postcard.
Oh, what's that?
When you're on holiday, you send a postcard back home to show your friends where you are.
Whee! Whoa! Ah! Oh! Aha! Look, I can make pictures with this. La 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 la. Look, Ben, Harry and Seren.
That looks just like Harry, especially the ears.
Ben, this is it. This is the camera.
Do you really think so?
Of course not. It's a crayon. And I can't look through it. Ooh. Ah! Ah! Oh. Look, it's me.
Hold the camera steady, Ella. Don't move.
Like this.
Can you see clearly?
Yes, ready.
Okay, now press the button.
Click. Aha! Furry foxtails! I found a camera! Click, click! Click! I found it, didn't I?
Yes, well done, Ella.
Fantastic! I can't wait to tell the others that I found the camera! I found the word, it was there all along. The word is camera. And now that word is in my song. Bap, bap, shooby-doo-ah. Hello! Maybe you'll catch me next time. I'm back in the book. Ta-da! I'm back. I had a fantastic adventure. Whee! What happened? First, some flat things blew into the door and I was skating on them like this. Ta-da! Cool move! They had pictures on them. They were postcards. You send them home to your friends when you're away on holiday. Ooh. Then you'll never guess what I found. It was blue and purple, exactly the same colours as you two. I used it to draw a picture.
What did you draw?
Your funny faces.
So that's what a camera is.
No, that was a crayon. Then I fell over. Ooh. Onto something that made clicking noises and it flashed.
Wow!
It took pictures of me.
It was the camera. But what did it look like?
This.
Wow!
Whoa! Ooh. Oh, it's us.
Well done, Ella. You found it.
I'm wiggly happy now.
You really are amazing, Abadas. It's time for me to go now. We had fun today, didn't we?
Oh, yes, we did. It's time to say goodbye. It was great to play. Come back and see us once again someday. Abadas, Abadas, someday.
Goodbye, Harry. Goodbye. Goodbye, Seren.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ella.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
Hello, Ben. Come and play with us. And we'll have a Abadabba, shooby-doo-wop. Abadabba, play today. Abadabba, shooby-doo-wop. Abadabba, play today. Play today.
Come and play with us. I wonder where they're playing today. They're in the countryside.
La 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 la.
Peekaboo! Can't catch me!
Hello. Where did it go? Hop, 1, 2, and...
Peekaboo, Ella!
Whoa! Ella! Did you just see a peekaboo sunflower? Yes. Did you see it, Harry?
See what?
A talking sunflower.
Don't be silly. Sunflowers don't talk.
Peekaboo! Can't catch me!
Quick, Harry! It's back.
What is?
A talking sunflower. Hey, what's that? It was you.
Peekaboo!
I was pretending to be a sunflower. Great game, Harry. Now who would like to play another game?
It's the word game.
Come and play with us.
You opened up the book and found us 3. It's time to play the word game, you and me. Listen to the word, then spot and see. Match the word and object. Help us play. Let's play.
Ready? I've got a brand new Abadas word, and you have to guess what it looks like. The word is puppet. Puppet.
Puppet. Puppet? We like the sound of that word.
What is a puppet? Would you like a clue?
Oh, yes, please. Ben.
A puppet is a toy that you can move with your hands.
Ooh. Can it dance like me? I love to dance. Cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha.
Well, you could make a puppet dance. Would you like another clue?
Yes.
Children like to go and see puppet shows.
I'd like to see a puppet show.
Me too. If I knew what it was. So where do you think you'd find a puppet? In the sky.
There aren't many toys in the sky. No, children. What about the mountains?
Not this time. Try again. I know, the seaside. There are always lots of children at the seaside.
And toys as well.
Well done, Abadas. Sometimes you can find puppets at the seaside.
Yay! Go, Abadas!
The Abadas think that they will find the puppet at the seaside. But which Abada would be the best one to find the puppet?
My name is Seren, I can fly up high, up past the trees and towards the sky. I hunt topsy-turvy in the night and day, fly right down when it's time to play.
My name is Hari, I like to swim. I dive down deep, I see everything that lives
So you're sure to find the puppet?
Good choice, Abadas. Harry, who knows the seaside very well, is the best Abadar to find the puppet.
With a dash and a bump, look at me jump.
Here I am!
Let's play!
Wow!
Ooh. Splash! Hello! Whee!
I'm at the seaside.
Splash!
Hello! Hello, Harry.
Hello? Hello, hello.
Are you waving at me, Harry?
What? Oh, no, Ben. I'm waving at him. Hey, maybe it's a puppet. Let's go and find out. Oh, no. It's not a puppet. It's a glove.
Some puppets are called glove puppets
Why?
because you can pop your hand inside them to make them move, just like putting on a glove.
It's a very colourful glove. Red, yellow, green, purple, and blue like me.
Sometimes puppets can be very colourful too.
A colourful toy. Hey, I think I see one. Look, Ben, this is colourful and it's a toy just like a puppet.
Yes, but that's not a puppet.
I know, silly. It's a beach ball. Uh-oh. I'll get it. It's a bit dark in here. Oh, no, that doesn't feel right. Aha, got it. Hey, this isn't a beach ball, but it is very colourful. I can pop my hoof in it and make it move. Hey, is this a puppet?
Yes, well done, Harry. You found the puppet. Harry!
Have you lost someone?
Me? Oh, yes, my friend Harry.
Harry? That's a funny name. Oh, Harry! Are you down there?
There are only puppets here.
Oh,
Peekaboo fooled you.
Harry, you made a puppet show. Well done.
I found the word, it was there all along. The word is puppet. And now that word is in my song. Ba ba shooby-doo-wah.
Splish, splash, splosh.
Ooh.
You'll never catch me. I'm back in the book.
Harry!
Hello, hello. I had a huge happy Pottermouth adventure. First, someone waved at me. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello! Who was it?
It was a glove. Then I found a very bouncy beach ball. Boing, boing, boing.
Boing, boing, boing.
And it bounced all the way to...
The puppet!
Yes!
Can we see it, Harry? Please?
Of course you can! Ta-da!
Wow! Where's Harry gone? Ooh! Who's the most handsome hippo in the world?
Harry?
You found the puppet! 2 puppets.
Yes, you can make them sing and dance.
Dum-de-dum! Puppets are fun! Singing and dancing for everyone. We love your puppet show, Harry.
And we love the Abadas too.
it's time for me to go now. We had fun today, didn't we?
Oh, yes, we did! It's time to say goodbye. It was great to play. Come back and see us once again someday. Abadas, Abadas, someday.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Seren.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ella.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.